Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video, I'm sure you saw, have a quadruple Allure Beauty Box unboxing. I keep saying that I'm going to cancel this box and it never happens, so I just have at least 4 to unbox. I might have another one around here, and I don't think I've canceled my current thing yet, so any whoozy. Yes, so we're gonna get rid of these. You might have seen me wearing this in my previous video. If you haven't, that is my review of the new Spoiled Lips Cosmetics Gamer Girl palette. I will link that up here in the cards and description box below if you want to see these 2 different looks that I did. If you can do me one favor right now, hit that big old like button down below. It really helps my channel get seen by more people. Appreciate it. Okay, so I don't know what months these are from. I'm just going to grab this top box and we're gonna go from there. I might have actually looked in these, but I don't even remember what's inside of them. So this is box number 1. Okay. At this point, I don't even know if I should even look in the pamphlet. Like, honestly, I should just go through, say what I got, and price doesn't matter. How about that? That sounds good to me. Okay, so this is an Allure Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer. Perfect size for me to take on the train. Next, we have this Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub, color safe. There we go. And paraben free. We got a lot to go through. Come on, Kristen. Okay, so next is a Josephine Eye Dazzle Natural Longwear Liquid Eyeshadow. Oh, okay, that's cool. Let's check that out. I already have makeup on, of course, for change. I'm not going to be putting anything on. But there's the outer packaging. Oh, it's like a bronzy color. Oh yes, definitely not a coppery bronzy. Again, previous makeup from previous video on my hand. Next we have, this is cute, Real Ferment Micro Essence. Oh, 93% microbiome ferment complex. Micro Essence for brighter, softer, and deeply hydrated skin. That's a cute little bottle. Alright, and we have a Manicure Beauty. This is Lip Bliss. This is a lip mask. Certainly got a lot of lip masks in the last few months here. I am not going to open it because I'm going to throw this in my giveaway pile. By the way, don't forget I have a giveaway going. I will link that up there in the cards and in the description box below. I do believe I have that set to expire on the 1st, but go check that video out and go join in on the fun if you haven't already. Also, this would be a great time to subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on the giveaways that I will be doing. I do one giveaway at least every month. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out here is a Dermilect Cosmeceuticals. Okay. Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. The bottom was open, so let's just take that out. Well, that's a nice little cute bottle. Nice and red. And I am also going to put this in the giveaway box because I have enough skincare. And then the last thing in this box is Instant Bright Eye Mask. Just a little eye mask. I will keep that because these bags need help, honey. 1 box down. Alright, took the pamphlet out. So this is what it looks like. So the first thing I'm picking out is a 100% pure cotton sheet mask for fresh, youthful looking skin. Revitalizing mask. Cool. Keep that for myself because I do like masks. Next thing I'm pulling out, this is a more Pacific Treatment Cleansing Foam. Just a cleanser. Keep that. That's a nice little size to take to work with me. Next thing I'm pulling out is a Beauty Resurfacing Compound. Ooh. I almost thought it was foundation at first. And after that we have a Christoph Robin Daily Hair Cream. I might have seen this before, maybe I opened this box before and just never took the stuff out. But I will keep that because that might be good. Wait a minute. Oh no, it has sandalwood pulp. Okay, that's going in the giveaway pile. Okay, next we have Floss Lip Advocate. I've seen this brand before. I think it's a really funny name given it's called Floss. But it looks like it is a lip crayon. Well, sort of. I just really rubbed that against my hand. You can see it at the top, and it's still very sheer, see-through. So obviously I'll keep that for myself. And the last little guy I'm pulling out of here. This is a 100 Body and Face Broad Spectrum SPF 100 Melt in Milk Sunscreen by La Roche-Posay. Little tiny bottle. Goodness, I will keep that because, hey, you never know. Alright, third box. Making good time here. Okay, so we do have a little pamphlet. Oh, some more things. Okay, ooh, this looks like it was a nice box. Well, we have a Saturday Skin Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. I'm keeping that for myself. Actually, I believe this is the first Saturday Skin thing that I will have owned. It's so cute. Start over by gently rubbing dullness away. Okay, cool. Yes, that is for me. Next thing I'm pulling out, this is True Plus Luscious Hyaluronic Acid Vitamin E Super Moisture Lipstick. Cute little tube. Oh, okay, that is a nice color. I've been into nude type lipsticks, so that is very nice. I will keep that and hopefully be able to use it once quarantine ends. Alright, the Beauty Crop Blush Duo. This looks like it was a decent box. Ooh, looks like one's a cream. So it's a little tiny guy, just like that. I do not know if I'm going to keep that, so I'm going to put that away right away, and I'm going to put it in the giveaway pile. Alright, the next thing I'm pulling out, this is Acetane. What the hell are you? Overnight Reset Serum. Look at that bottle, it's so cute. It looks like a little potion with all the little beads in it. Mine. Okay, and then we have a little tiny sponge and a little tiny diamond. That is super cute. I'm gonna keep it. Okay, a little bit of foam, so that's it. Last box. Just for funsies, I'm gonna see if this says what month this is from. I think this is the most recent one because I think I remember this little card. Spring Refresh. So yeah, maybe this is March. But box. Okie dokie. So we got a 111 skin. Oh my god. 11T1 skin. Vitamin C Brightening Booster. I'm gonna keep that just for funsies basically. Okay, we have Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. So this is actually just the second product I have from them. I did watch a video from Alexandria Ryan. She mentioned that she gets Ahava all the time, and I'm like, you must be special. I'm gonna keep that just because hand cream is always good. Alright, next thing I am grabbing is Mud Maske Serum Infused Eye Mask. I will also keep that. Again, nice size to travel with on the train. Ooh, Pixie by Petra Lip Glow. Okay. We're actually doing really good here. What the hell is this all about? I thought this was a really shitty box now. Maybe they were listening. That is a nice color. So it's like a balm, just like the kind of like a balm. So that's the bottom. Yeah. Anyways, that's cool. Now we have a double act shadow stick, Dusk to Dawn. Great movie. It's just an actual, okay, so it's a stick you actually have to sharpen, and that would be why we have a little sharpener in here. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway. I don't want it. I won't need it. I won't use it. Okay, and then we have a B. Glen Clay Wash. Little tiny guy, but it has some information there. Cool. Again, I will keep this for myself. Nice eyes for the train. Okay, wow. Well, that was pretty fast. So that was 4 different Allure unboxings. I have yet to cancel it yet, so I've probably already been charged. What did you like the most? What would you have wanted to get? Which box out of the 4 would you have preferred to get? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. By the way, again, remember, please subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any of my giveaways. Talk to you later. Bye.